Hello, my name is Faraz Majid. I'm the service manager for My Mississauga Chrysler. Today we're going to talk about dealership versus the local garage. Does your Chrysler vehicle need some work done to it? Wondering if it is better to take it to the dealership or a local garage? The answer is clear. Bring it to My Mississauga Chrysler, of course. You might think it's better at the local mechanic or garage, but let's think about it for a moment. We have 5 reasons why you should choose a certified dealer over the local guy. First, cost. While the local garage might be closer and cheaper, if you make a mistake, it will most likely not be covered under warranty. That mistake could end up affecting the overall quality of your vehicle as well. Second, speed. Here at My Mississauga Chrysler, our certified technicians get you in and out on time. We know what you need and we have everything on hand. Third, customer service. We pride ourselves in giving you the best quality service out there. Our informed technicians and staff are flexible. We can handle any problem. We work to make your automotive experience smooth and easy. We would offer you a loaner car if work needs to be done. The same can be said for the local garage. Fourth, all our technicians are certified Chrysler technicians. They know your vehicle inside and out. We are constantly improving our knowledge and we pass that confidence on to you. Fifth, not only will you find our dealership clean and smoke-free, but you will find that we are easy to find. You can book an appointment online or swing by and ask us a question. While we understand why you think the local garage is better, we know that you will have the best experience here with us at My Mississauga Chrysler. Thank you for watching.